The Public Sector Innovation Network is under construction. It's been around since 2011 and we've had some great successes like Innovation Month and the Innovation Awards. But times have changed and we feel that it's time to reinvigorate the network.
We started a human-centred design project and asked ourselves the following question. How might we invigorate the network to drive innovation in government and ultimately better meet the needs of the Australian people? To answer this question, we began by looking for best practice around the world. We're not the only people trying to drive innovation in government, and we wanted to ensure we built on all the work that's out there and put it into Australian government context.
We talked to public servants across the country. We held focus groups in Canberra, Hobart, Melbourne and Sydney with people from federal, state and local governments. We asked them how they work, how they innovate, what helps and what gets in the way. We also asked what they struggle with and what they need to help them innovate at work.
We started to hear some common experiences. We heard that middle management can be nervous about change and that change requires more energy than the status quo, so is less likely to be embraced. We heard growing recognition that government needs to change how it works because the things that people used to rely on aren't necessarily reliable anymore.
There were two themes common to all the people we spoke to. First, innovation means different things to different people, from business process improvements to disruptive change. And second, all people working in government at all levels and in all jurisdictions want a safe space to innovate.
To address these themes and support the different people we spoke to, we developed a matrix. The kind of information and support that people need depends on their proficiency and experience with innovation, as well as their mindset. People who are more comfortable with structure and have less practical experience with innovation need to see efficiencies and clear benefits. People with more exposure to innovation and greater comfort with ambiguity need access to people like them who can help them build skills and propel innovation in government.
And while capability building and access to practical tools are important, the most important thing is for everyone to have access to tangible examples of innovation. People need to be able to see how things have been done previously and to be able to show these examples to management to prove that trying something new is worth the effort.
So now we have an idea of what people need. Our next step is to create some prototypes about how this could work. We're going to host some co-design sessions to build different versions of what the PSIN can be to help people meet their innovation needs. And together we'll be building and testing features and different styles and aesthetics, and we'll even be discussing new names for the network. So stay tuned.